Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Tuan Nur Aisyah Kistina binti Tuan Sharifuddin, matrix number AA201085. This is our presentation video for DAM13003 Algebra, and we are from section 7 and 8, group 10. My group has 5 members, which is me, Wafi, Shaza, Aiman, and Razik. For this task, we are assigned to do a PBL. It's a student-centered learning, which the student learn about a subject through experiences of solving an open-ended question. For this algebra PBL, we were assigned with 2 questions from topic 3, which is series. For this question, we use arithmetic and geometric series. We also use Villa table to help us organize what we need to do to answer this question. So now I will let my group mate to explain more about our Villa table.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shaza bin Muhammad Sahabuddin. My matric number is AA200147. For Villa table for question 1 is facts. Number 1, you and your friend want to start an online clothing business. Number 2, for new members as downline or second generation. Number 3, each generation gets 4 new members each. Number 4, draw a diagram for each generation. Number 5, difference between generation. Number 6, ratio between the second and first generation and third to second generation. Number 7, make conclusions. The ideas: first, sketch a diagram for each generation. Number 2, find the right progression formula for the question. Number 3, use geometric progression to solve the problems. Number 4, make a conclusion based on your answer. The learning issues. Number 1, which topic and formula should we use? Number 2, how to calculate using the formula. Number 3, how to know which one is the key point for the question. The resource needed. Number 1, find information through books, algebra modules. Number 2, surf the internet. And number 3, group discussion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zikri Aiman bin Samsudin. My matrix number AA200581. Now I will explain to you about Villa table regarding the second question. Villa stands for fact, idea, learning issue, and action plan. The first one is your brother want to buy a new phone that costs 999 ringgit. Second, he saved 150 ringgit for the first month. Third, you gave him 50 ringgit every month. 4, total amount of money he saved for 4 months. 5, ratio between the second and first month and the third with the second month. 6, make a conclusion. Actually, all these 6 facts are on the question. You can just take it and put it in the table. We move to the next column, which is idea. Actually, idea is the way used to solve the question. So, the first is find the right progression formula to answer the question. Second, use arithmetic progression formula to solve the question. Third, make a conclusion based on your answer. So, the third section, we will be learning issue. First, which topic is the question about? Second, which is the formula for the question? Third, which progression formula to use to solve the question? 4, how to calculate using the formula? 5, how to know the key point of the question? So the last part from Villa table is action plan. First, find information from book. Second, surf the internet. Third, group discussion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Wafiuddin bin Khairu Zaini, matrix number AA200-583. 3.0 Solution of Case Study. Questions 1. A. Draw a diagram representing the members from the first generation to the fourth generation. There are two people in the first generation, so each of the first generation has 4 people under them. So the number of people in the second generation is 8. This concept is applied in each generation up to the fourth generation. B. Based on diagram, what is the difference between generation? A value is 2, meanwhile R value is 4. So if we want to get the term of the generation, we must use the formula Tn equal AR power n negative 1. So enter the value A, n and R into the formula, so we can get T1 equal to 2, T2 equal to 8, T3 equal to 82, and T4 equal to 128. Thus, we get the value of the term, so we must find the difference between generation. So we minus the term between generation. So T4 minus T3 equal to 180 minus 32, and the answer is 69. Next, T3 minus T2 equal to 32 minus 8. The answer is 24. T2 minus T1 equal to 8 minus 2. So the answer is 6. What is the ratio of the second generation with the first generation, the third generation with the second generation? For this question, we use the formula R equal to Tn minus 1 divide Tn. So we enter the value T2 divide T1 equal to 8 divide 2. The answer is 4. Next, T3 divide T2 equal to 32 divide 8, and the answer is 4. Based on 1 and 2, what is your conclusion? So the conclusion is every generation have the common ratio between terms, that's 4 times.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Razik Sufyan. I'm from group 10, and I want to explain about the solution for the question 2. Okay, let's read the question first. Your brother who is in secondary school want to buy a new iPhone, which cost is Rm900 1919. The first month he saved Rm150. Each month 3 after, you gave him Rm50. A. List the total amount money your roommate saved for the first 4 months. Okay, for the question 2A, we draw a table to get the total amount money. Okay, for the first month he get Rm150. For the second month he get Rm200. For the third month he get Rm250. For the fourth month he get Rm300. Okay, the total amount money is Rm900. For the B1, what is the difference between each month? For the B1 Roman question, we have used Tn equal A plus bracket and minus 1 bracket for the question. Okay, for the T1, which is Rm150. For the T2, which is Rm200. For the T3, which is Rm250. For the T4, which is Rm300. Okay, for the difference between each month is Rm50, because T4 minus T1 which is Rm50, T3 minus T2 which is Rm50, T2 minus T1 which is Rm50 also. What is the ratio of the second month with the first month, the third month with the second month? Okay, for this question, we use a formula R equal Tn minus 1 over Tn. Okay, for the ratio T2 over T1, we get 4 over 3. For the ratio T3 over T2, we get 5 over 4. Okay. 3 Roman. Based on 1 Roman and 2 Roman, what is your conclusion? My conclusion, the saving amount for the all of 4 months have the common difference between terms that are M50. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, PBL has helped us to develop some effective problem solving skill, and it also helps us with our collaboration skill, which we use our knowledge and tell each other about what we know, and we discuss about how to solve the problems. And Fila table really helped us a lot, as we already organize our question and what we need to do, like all the ideas, all the facts are in the Fila table, so it's really easy for us to know what we should do next. And lastly, PBL is one of the most effective way to help us students to practice what we have learned through our class, like it's a practical practice, so it's really good. So that's it for our presentation. Thank you so much.